Mom, do I have to read this? 7 reasons to be thankful for your sister. I have a baby sister, and I wanted to make her a gift. So I sat down and started thinking about it. What do you make for the person that tormented you as a child? Well, then I also thought about the fact that she collects the letter T. Not sure why, but she does. She's also a very good seamstress. Then it hit me. Why not combine the two? I figured it out. She likes the letter T because that's the first letter of her name. Duh. Anyway, hope you liked the project. Hope you liked the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and go have yourself a great day. Thanks.